Hi guys, today we're going to be making slime, a crunchy slime,
and like it has foam beads to make it like a crunchy kind of slime.
Okay, so
we need a bowl, a spoon
pink
or whatever,
glue, pink glue,
right in this box.
We will wash our hands.
2 hours later.
That's what you need
Okay, so
to like make the slime.
Okay, let's get started.
So it says you first have to put the crunchy slime activator. So,
So
this one's first. And
Okay,
then you put the crunchy slime activator like
into a
after.
bowl.
So
Ooh.
you have to put it all into a one bowl.
Whoa.
And if you have a brother and sister, you can half it for them, like when the whole slime's made.
Can't wait. Ooh.
You have to make sure it goes all into the bowl.
Because we're making pretty much a kind of big slime. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, a little bit more.
Whoa. Okay. What's next?
Okay.
Next step is take Elmer's
I think that's
crunchy
enough.
slime activator. Make sure you shake it well.
So the mixing is at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
Sweet float to the top of the bottle opening for pouring. Right.
It's like how you shake milk.
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
Okay. Wait. That all have to be at the top. A bit more. Okay. Now I think that's enough.
Okay, so we have to pour it in.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
But I know how to do. Okay, so we've shaken this thing, and I think it's shaken well. So
Now I think we're ready to. Matthew?
It's like foamy.
Okay, let's propose to it.
Slowly.
Does
Okay,
it fit?
slowly.
All of it? Let's see.
I think you have to.
Bit. Oh.
Bit by bit.
Slowly. At a time until slime forms. Right, yeah, so a tiny bit at a time. Can I have a try now?
It's like little dots.
Ooh. Okay. Now?
Okay, so we're mixing it and like putting it in.
Right.
Ooh, it's getting slimy.
Yeah. Sorry. Whoa. Looks cool.
I don't think you actually have to add. Okay. Do we have to add it all? Okay.
So we're gonna stretch it until it becomes like slime.
Fully slime?
Slime.
Oh, it's so sticky.
Oh, it feels kind of good.
So gooey.
Yeah. Whoa, this is really cool. I've never seen pink glue in my life.
It can be any kind of colour glue for Elmers. Okay,
This
so this
is
is
the end result.
and this is how it turns out at the end. We split it into half because it's like one of us, so two of us has to have some slime. We can't just play with it like all together.
And this was from Big W, and
we
it's
split it into
made
half.
from Elmer's Crunchy Slime Kit.
You can get different kinds of kits from that. And yeah, we got it from Big W.
Okay.
Now it's time to play. Whoa.
Ooh.
Sometimes in slimes, I don't like beads going into it. Whoa.
Oh, that crunch sound.
It's like a bubble wrap.
It is a bubble right here. Now you have to stretch it and make it into like a bubble kind of here, and then you put it down on the table, and then you crunch
Whoa. Okay. Now. Oh, whoa. That feels good.
Wait.
There's still a bit more of the purple glue on the bottom.
But we can't get it out.
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
Thank you guys for watching our video.
And don't forget to subscribe.